Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to add a location map to Google Forms. Google Forms does not have a built-in option to embed an interactive map directly. However, you can still collect location information. This can be done using a few simple methods. One common method is to use a short answer question. Open Google Forms. As you can see, I've created a simple question. I've given it the title Google Maps link. You can paste your own location URL in the description. This allows respondents to see your location. In the question field, ask users to enter their location. Set the response type to short answer. Respondents can paste or share their location manually. Enable required. So the question cannot be skipped. Although Google Forms does not support embedded maps, location data can still be collected. Using links and addresses makes this easy to manage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.